Alright, class. Time to take a test. I'm gonna be collecting your cheat sheets. Alright, hand it over. Don't bother trying to hide it. Alright, fine. Here it is. The teacher's headed over this way. Wait, I know what I should do. I need to hide my cheat sheet. I'll use my earring to pop open this spot on my cell phone. I've got this tiny little cheat sheet with the equations written on it. I'll just fold it up into an even tinier piece of paper. And now I can slide it right back into my phone so it's hidden. Alright, now I'm ready to finish this test with my phone at my side. Alright, hand over your phone. I need to check it out. You look good. Here you go. Okay, it looks like she's gone. Now I can open my phone back up. I'm so clever. And now I have a cheat sheet I can use. I'm a total genius. So many trees in this forest. Oh! What time is it? Oh my! Let's see. Is everyone ready to start class? It doesn't look like it. Alright, time to get this started. I've got compasses here for you to use. I need you to draw a circle to match the ones on the board. Alright, come on up here and take one. Let's get to work. Aw, man. I can't believe we have to do work in class now. Everyone just take one and do what I said. Hey wait! There isn't one left for me! Huh? What the heck? She went back to sleep? Now what am I supposed to do? This is kind of the worst. What's even the solution here? How am I supposed to draw a circle now? All I've got for tools that I can use is this ruler.
I don't get this. How does this work? This stupid thing doesn't work at all. I can't draw a circle with it.
What the heck? Jake has one and he doesn't even know what he's doing. This is so frustrating! This thing is such a pain to use! Ugh, I hate this. Wow, she's struggling too. Hey, I know what to do. I'll just open it up and there we go. Nailed it! Okay, maybe I can make something work with this ruler though. Maybe I can just trace with it. Oh. Nope, that didn't work at all. Maybe I can just do it without the ruler at all. This isn't working! Come on, ruler, I need your help! Huh, I think I know what to do. Let me mark every 2 inches on this ruler. All the way down to the end. Great! So now I want to punch a little hole through each of those dots. Perfect! We're ready to give this a try! I'll set the ruler down and then put a pencil in the middle hole. And it's time to twist it. I'll just skip over my arm right here and finish the drawing. Done! It totally worked!
Oh my goodness, you did draw a perfect circle!
Wait, you brought me a compass to use now? That figures. Ugh, this is the worst. I hate studying this. I don't even understand some of these equations. Ugh, I give up! I'm just no good at this! Ugh, what the heck is that?
It's a stuffed toy for you. You wanna play with me?
I'm sorry, I can't. I have to do all this studying and homework to finish. I wish I could just go to bed though. I'm so tired. Oh, oops. Oh, oops. I nodded off. I just need to get some of this done. Ugh. Huh? What's going on? Where am I?
This is the worst test I've ever seen!
I fell asleep while studying! I'm gonna fail my test! Huh?
Morning! You like my balloon? You wanna play with me? See? I added a ribbon to my balloon so it doesn't get away!
But hey, maybe I can do something with this. I've got a balloon and now I need this marker. I'll draw on the equations. Now I can just deflate the balloon. Good, it's miniature now. I can put a piece of tape over it. I'll hold the balloon carefully, and now I can take the piece of tape off. Finally, I can put this piece of tape on my fingernail. It's pretty much a perfect fit. Alright, let's try and pass this math test with my nifty equations. No one's even noticed either. I'm so smart. Let me see if she's cheating at all. Any cheat sheets? Alright, let me get a closer look. I'm gonna need my flashlight. Hey. Face me and open your mouth wide. Alright, you're fine. Good job on not cheating. Phew. That was a close one. But I'm the best! And there we go. Alright, class. Isn't this new powder just the absolute best? It lasts all day. Come on, let's take a selfie together. They're not even paying attention to me at all! Ahem! Essie, Cheryl, that is it! Separate from each other right now! No! I don't want you to go! Aww, I'm gonna miss you so much, Cheryl! We're so close and yet so far away! That's right. This is a class for learning. Psst, psst. What? What is it? We can use our phones and just talk to each other that way. Oh, okay. That's super smart. Let me get mine out. Stop right there. You think I was born yesterday? No phone for you. Your phone too. I'm taking it with me. That's right. You can have them back after class. Now get back to work. But I'm keeping an eye on you. Okay, let me try this. Gonna bunch this up. Cheryl, this is for you. Oh no! It landed too far away! Did she see anything? Oh, looks like she's reading her book. Phew, we got lucky. Okay, I need to try something else now. I've got this plastic cup. I'll turn it upside down and then cut out the bottom. Then I'll need a balloon. I'm gonna snip off the end of the balloon like this. Now I can open it up and slide it over the cup. Excellent! Now I'm ready to try my little message cannon. I'll stick the message in, pull back the balloon, and then let it go. Whoa. Is this a message for me? Let me open and see. How are you? Aw, she sent a message just for me! Yes, it totally worked! Oh, I guess this is a message back from her. I wonder what it says. See you at the principal? I know how to make a message cannon, too! I'm trying to reach! It's not my fault I'm too short to solve this problem! I need to get my pencil case! Man, I hate being this short. I can't reach anything! Ugh, can't they see I'm trying to read right here?
Okay, there she is. Hi, Essie.
Oh, hi. How are things with you? Oh wow, you're really, really tall. Hi up there.
Well, I just like you so much. Would it be okay if I kissed you?
Hey, can you go a little faster? Come on, I'm down here. Alright, I need this megaphone. You need to lean down further to kiss me! Maybe I need to break out a ukulele song. None of this is working. Wait a second. There are colored pencils over here. I can make this work. I'm also gonna need a flip-flop. I'll remove the straps. I'll need to use some hot glue. I'll just put a little dab. Now I can stick a pencil right on the bit of the glue. And repeat. Okay, I filled the bottom. Now I'll add one in the middle on the top. And I can just twist this new strap and loop it around. Ta-da! Now these are some killer platform sandals. Let's slip these on and see if they work. Yes! Now to get closer to the smooch I'm waiting on. Wait. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. It hasn't been that long. Hey, wake up! Whatever. Let's just forget the whole thing.
Huh? What? I'm awake. Oh right, the kissing. Here I come.
Okay, I guess I'm still up for smooching you. Come on, we have to put our names down! Hey, wait! I want to write mine down first! This is my space! This is my space! Get out of my way! Ugh, whatever. No one's gonna vote for you anyway. Nah. Ooh! Nominations for prom queen! Come on, sign up with me! Okay, fine. Let's go. What if one of us gets crowned prom queen? Okay, let me just get out my pen. Here it is. I'm ready to sign. Ugh, what the heck? Shoot! This pen isn't working! Oh wait! I've got an idea! I've got a banana in my bag. Wait, that's not what I wanted. Let me try again. Here we go. I've got it this time! Yes! Oh, wait. This is definitely not what I was looking for. Wow, no offense, but this is kind of taking a while. No, I know. I totally watched that episode last night, too. What the heck was that? Alright, that's it. I'm dumping my whole bag onto the ground. Wait, is that another container of juice? Hey! Actually, I think this has given me a great idea! Alright, I'm gonna take this empty juice container and give it a little chop. Now I can remove that top and grab scissors so I can cut along the corner. I'm gonna want to go all the way to the other end of the box. Then repeat with the other corners so I can open it up like this. I don't want it to look like a juice box though, so I'll cover it with this pink paper. Time to flip it over and break out the glue stick. I want to coat pretty much this whole space with the glue. Because I want to add this strip of orange paper to it now. Now it's time for the heavy-duty hot glue, cause the glue stick won't cut it. I'm gonna add another one, but rotated like this. Time to add even more hot glue, but this time on the ends. It doesn't have to be a lot. I'm just attaching this little piece of elastic. And then on this one, I'll glue down some magnet strips. Ta-da! I made a pencil and supplies holder. The elastic can hold markers and stuff, and some post-it notes can go up here. The magnets can even hold paper clips. Then when it's all filled, I can just fold it back up. The inside box has to be folded first. And then you can do the outside one. And now I can add the lid back on that I chopped off before. Hey! Look what I made for you! What's this? I should open it? Okay. Whoa! No way! See? Now you can easily find something to write with. And now I can sign up to be prom queen. There! Aw, look at all the attention she's getting!
No way! This is the coolest school supply holder I've ever seen!
Which of these hacks would you try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like, and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!